Hi guys, it's Eric RPG again, and we're going to conclude the game and raid Aneki, or Aneki building, and save the world from the AI program. First, we're gonna hire some runners. I think there's one in particular I want to get here. I might only have enough for one of them. I don't care if they die, they're just there for the run. Or, well, as close to as what happens, what counts for a run. So yeah, we need to get Steel Flight. Ask about... I could lower his price, but nah. Now we need to go to the Wastelands and get Norbert. Even though this guy's a decker, he's more of a mercenary. Oh yeah, the other Wastelands, so we have to go up first. It's up here. Yeah, we're not even gonna bother fighting. But I kinda need to keep him alive. Luckily, he hasn't died yet. Understandable you don't want to go in. Oh right, my charisma is not high enough. Oh well. One runner's fine though. Probably should have just got Norbert. Not even gonna waste time. Oh, he took a single HP of damage. Wait, why are we going to the Drake building? We should be going up. So right up here. Holy crap, there's guys waiting for us. We don't need a pass. Haha, yeah. Fuck you. We're gonna destroy you. Yeah, I'm swearing a lot in this. Well, this Shadowrun's a cruel and harsh world. Why not? Some cruel and harsh coarse language to match. Look at that, 20 HP. I'm not even gonna bother collecting money. Okay. That's where the computer was. Guard IRC. I see. Intelligent cube? I don't know. But yeah, there's like at least 8 floors or so. My AMP is doing fairly decent. Alright. Out of storage. Guess I have to come back in later. Well, I screwed up there. I'm not gonna look at all the phone books. Password needed. Huh. Elevator activated. So the elevators for both the floors are activated now. Excuse me. It's a lot of hacking. Yep. I realize it's not that great, but we have to do this in order to open things. Sorry, there's not very much commentary because I've said everything I have to say about the game. I guess I could talk about that glitch that lets you get 5,000 million from the vampire. Because for whatever reason, the game glitches out, and Vladimir re-shows up after you've gone to Bremerton and defeated the Jester Spirit. But you can exploit that and get money as much as for as long as you want, up until you get to the volcano. Because again, for whatever reason, the volcano decides to make the game force you to not recollect the strobes, because that's also what it involves. It involves you relearning the strobe keyword, asking for them, getting them, and then being able to do that whole portion of the quest over again. So he's got 70 HP. He's got a pretty good armor class. It's much higher than mine. Wait, that's body. Never mind. I don't care if you hurt me. Get the one in the shades. Maybe there isn't like 8 or 12 floors, but there is a lot. Well, this one looks fairly difficult. Oh, that really hurt me. I'm gonna have to save state here, because I'm about to die. I don't know if I have enough health to get through this section. Yeah, I died. Out of storage. Yeah, thought so. Trash data discarded. Elevator activated. Just so he doesn't die. That's why I'm putting it on. Alright. Think we can check out now. Yeah, we got money. We got more money. Trash data discarded. Data file obtained. So what's this data file? Anti-AI. Security on the 6th floor has been upgraded. The AI is now heavily guarded. Armitage will meet his end, attempting such fullness. The Matrix stars control. Aneki. 6 floors and I'm halfway out of my MP. Payment. Withhold payment of, wow, 10 million to Drake's account until we can be assured of the AI safety. They have served us little protection when there is so much at stake. I think we can keep going though. I'm just gonna stop protecting Norbert or Steel Flight. Holy shit. I could do the rest of this on my own. There he goes. Who's shooting at me? This guy? What kind of gun does he have? Well, that was a dead end. Apparently I can't cast on myself. Too far away. I'm standing like right next to it. Modifying programs, collecting data, destroying ICs. Money! Money that I don't possibly need right now. But, sure, I'll raid your place. More deckers coming in from the floor below us. Looks like I forgot to do something. There it is. I missed that last time. Got a save state here. Just in case my health's not enough. Probably isn't. So there's the elevator being activated. Oh, what floor are we on? Floor 4. Fifth floor, okay. We're at the end of the game, pretty much. Oh, I stupidly casted it twice. Oh well. I think I need to go in the next room over and unlock the node before I can even touch the AI computer. We're almost done with the game, folks. I think the 6th floor is the roof. Yeah, that didn't go so well at all. We're gonna do that again. Alright. Jacked out. Money! Money and more money! Ha ha ha. I'm cleaning you out, folks. But I don't know if I can do this. There's one more computer we need to hack. This computer. I'm pretty sure the game's running on an automatic sequence here. After we beat this last part of the game. Haha! Program downloaded. And the computer is dead now. Oh great, it's causing the whole building to collapse. Or at least the roof is gonna blow. Enjoy the ending, folks. You'll pay for your sabotage. Come on, yeah, kill him, kill him, kill him. If I was actually playing this, I probably wouldn't survive, because I have so little HP left. Get in the helicopter, hurry! Starring Darren Bremner, Andrew Bailey. Game programming, Arthur Litwinnick, Shane Lontis. Even though this is a Data East game, there's an American staff. Graham Scott, Jeff Kamenek for game programming. Kamenek. Artwork, Mark Maynard, Holger Leibniz. Additional artwork, Ken Newman, Grant Arthur, Simon Hart. Game design, Paul Kidd, Greg Barnett. Well, Data East might have let them use their assets. I don't know. Map construction, Justin Halliday, Andrew Buttery. Music, Marshall Parker. Then again, maybe Data East is just a publisher. Game testing, Ann Davey, Andrew Scott, Brian Uniacki. I don't know how to pronounce that. Game testing, Chris Tan, Ski Scott, Tim McKay. Or Mackey, I don't know. Game testing, Robert Williams, Chris Gale, Gerard Marcus. Game testing, Peter Stonsky, Shane Collier, and Randy Olier. Project management and game design, Arthur Kakuris. Producers, Koichi Ota, Adam Lockman. Epilogue stuff. Sort of, kind of. Not really. So this is just basically a character and a boss roll call. Yeah, right. We can't trust you. You lied to us. And you can normally not fight those things. They're invincible, in fact. Did you guess or did you know? I knew because I had to ask someone. Why is this weapon so puny? Oh, really? Then I kind of feel bad, but not really because you still have the choice to leave. Or maybe you didn't. I don't know. Yeah, and Shadowrun 2 never happened. How sad. There was a second Shadowrun game after this for the Genesis and another one for the Sega CD, which never came to America, but the Genesis one was an American-produced game. And I'm going to be out playing that someday. Probably as a shaman to make it more interesting. Because Street Samurais for beginners and Deckers are basically just weaker versions of Street Samurai that require more putting into karma into other stats so that you can actually make use of them in that manner if you wanted to. Doesn't work that way for shamans though. And this is just a roll call of all the Shadowrunners you can get, like it says. There's Kitsune. Doo-doo. But yeah, it like in the game. Apparently Spatter he will betray you once you get to the 3rd floor of the Drake building. And there's a Kimmy who we never actually saw. But yeah, as far as Shadowrun for the Genesis goes, if you're a shaman and you try to get cyberware, it's going to affect your ability to use magic. So don't get cyberware if you're a shaman. So yeah, this is the end. 1993 Data East. Hope you enjoyed. And developed by Bean Software. So yeah. And it just resets. So hope you enjoyed again. And I'll see you next time. And I'm going to be doing Halloween themed games for October. So see you later.